If a long-term care insurance policy is right for you, when is the best time to apply for it and get the policy rolling? Well, the industry will say before age 60, probably between 55 and 60. But I think in your early 50s, you need to start thinking about it, right? Because the planning needs to be there for it. Whether you actually enact a policy that soon, that remains to be seen. But the price is a consideration here, John, because if you wait till into your 60s very far, it's going to get rather cost prohibitive because you're obviously closer to the likely age you're going to need it. And if you do it too soon, then you're paying for it for a long time. You could have obviously done better by investing that money and creating your own pot of money.
Potentially so. There's no magic formula here, but here's what you need to know, that it is age-based, and that, the earlier you buy, the lower the premium is. So, what I think is very practical is, as Scott said, in your 50s, you need to be thinking about it, moving toward that. At least by 55, you need to be having serious discussions about it and going ahead and buying a policy, let's say between 55 and 60 years old, I think makes a ton of sense, because after you're 60, then cost does become a factor. That should not sway you from buying a policy if you don't have one beyond age 60, but it does put you kind of in a disadvantaged situation because the costs are higher then.